So for this question here, we're trying to find x. We've got a right angle triangle. We need to firstly label our sides. So opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. And then I need to figure out what am I using or what am I finding. So obviously I've got 22, so I'm going to be using the hypotenuse. And I want to find x, so I'm going to be using the adjacent, which means that the opposite is the one that I'm not too fussed about. So if we do our triangles, a horny caterpillar only has sex on a Tuesday, we can see that we're using the one with A and H in, which is this one here. So we cover up the bit that we want, and we want A. So if we cover up A, we've got A is equal to hypotenuse times my so times C, which is cos of my angle. So I've got A is equal to hypotenuse is 22 times cos of my angle, which is 60. If I put that on my calculator, 22 times cos of 60, I get 11, and that would be centimetres. So for this question, we want to find out this length here. So first things first, label my sides opposite, hypotenuse and adjacent. Then I need to figure out which ones I'm using or which ones I'm going to find. So I've got the adjacent I'm using and the hypotenuse I'm using. Because I want to find the hypotenuse, I'm using the adjacent. We do our triangles. A horny caterpillar only has sex on a Tuesday. And if we have a look, we want to use A and H. So it's going to be this one here. Now, this time we're looking to find H. If I just cover that up for a second, and then we know that H is equal to A divided by C, cos of my angle. So H is equal to A is 39 divided by cos of my angle, which is 60. And if I put that on my calculator, 39 divided by cos of 60 is equal to 78 kilometres.